that I found helpful in learning this strategy and becoming quite proficient at the strategy was actually the first thing that where I learned the strategy was a organization or a trading website by a guy called Harvey Walsh, and it was called daytradingfreedom.com. Okay, and this is where I'm going to show you a quick video of Harvey's. Let's go back here. Okay, let's see Harvey Walsh. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take you to Harvey Walsh's website. And this is when you buy his course. I think the course was $180, something like this. He gives you a login and gives you, access to his back office. And here he runs through his chart setup, how he sets up his sort of trading station. Okay. So he gives you all the details of his strategy, how he uses time and sales. And his futures, how he looks at the futures. Okay, he also shows you how he does his scanning.
Similar story, but not quite the same. This has gone straight up and did a bit of a down moment here. Now it's
Okay, shows you how he uses time and sales. He has a time and sales window. Okay, so he gives you a few examples of some trades that he took. Non-trade, a non-trade, a trade, a trade. Tells you about quote.com, free scanner. Used to be, actually doesn't work that well anymore, but he uses that as a scanner to create a watch list. Okay, but basically, mainly Harvey Walsh's sort of information I find via podcast. And his podcast is the Day Trading Freedom podcast over here. So let me just play you one video from Harvey Walsh's Day Trading Freedom podcast, which is free from Amazon. Anybody can basically download it. Let's see which one we're going to do. Let's see this one over here.
okay, so this is Thursday, 26th of June 2008, and just wanted to give you a quick introduction to video today, just to say that this one will be quite a quick one. So,
I'm just going to forward a bit.
Just to show you why we don't get it always right. It did come down just after I got out, so I was quite pleased with that, but it's shot back off again, made at least another dollar, so you go, can't really look in there. Sometimes you miss them, but that's the way it goes. Anyway, just want to show you that, so quite amusing. Then I take a short on rim, 125.67 I'm short there. It's a big old gap down over $10, been moving a little bit sideways, but very confident it's going to drop a bit further. Very well, I'll stop at the best of times, so going to give this one a little wiggle room. We all need a bit of wiggle room every now and then, but especially rim. So anyway, short from 125.67 on rim. Right, taking a long on SQNN, bit of a mouthful that one, isn't it? 15.75.
Okay, so let's see his results. You can see how old this video was. Apple's still trading at $171. Incredible. Okay, let's move along to show you the results that Harvey's getting.
DIYS 620, Apple took 490 on that one on that quick little scalp trade. SQNM 260, RIM 630, VLCN 150, and WB didn't do anything, took $30 on there. So not too bad. Didn't scale out every year of trades today because we kind of keep it quick simple because, as I say, from the traders, must be indoors with their mates, being a bit unsocial. But
Okay, so that's Harvey Walsh. And let's go back and see. Okay, back to. Let's see if I can get out of here. Let's close that down. And let's open up. Sorry about this. Let's open up iTunes again. Okay, I'm going to go back to the podcast. I'm going to go back to Day Trading Freedom. Let's see. Day Trading Freedom podcasts. Come on, iTunes. Okay, and we have Day Trading Freedom. Here it is. And you notice these are just a few of the videos. He has many, many videos, a whole lot of trades, but he also does quite good educational videos as well. Very, very good educational videos. So that's just a small sort of review of Day Trading Freedom and Harvey Walsh. And yeah, if you wanted to go buy his course, you could always do that. It's interesting reading. Not everything that he teaches I use. I did try from the beginning, try to get all his stuff, but actually, I couldn't actually get it to work the way he was, showing it. So let me just see if I can work out how to get back from the current slide. Let's try. Okay. So Harvey Walsh's strategy details. He mainly uses opening range breakouts, although he does use quite a mixture of other technical trading as well. But his main strategy is opening range breakouts. He uses a daily news or scanner to create a watch list. So he does a search through briefing.com or uses scanners on the internet to create a watch list of stocks that he thinks are going to move very well that day. He uses time and sales to identify volume. So I'm going to run through time and sales in a minute, but basically uses time and sales to identify the volume of the trade, or whether the trade is going to keep on going in the direction he wants it to go, which is obviously into profit. He uses NASDAQ and NYSE futures to confirm the trend. So if he's going short, he'd want the NASDAQ and the NYSE futures to also be dropping, and if he's going long, he wants the NASDAQ and NYSE futures to confirm the uptrend. He trades 1,000 shares. Okay, so he is a big trader. His trading accounts, if you're trading a stock of $50 and you're trading 1,000 of those shares, one investment in that stock is $50,000. So when you're trading that type of level of trades, where you've got 2 or 3 trades open at the same time, he's probably got $500,000 in his trading account that he's trading at the same time, 1,000 shares. He scales out of the trade, so he'll close 500 shares at a time. So he'll trade 1,000 shares and close 500, and then close another 500 to finish off with. But he enters at 1,000 shares. He closes on a break of the 10 moving average. So his strategy, excuse me, calls for him to close on a break of the 10 moving average. Excuse me. So he has some very good beginners training education. If you've not traded before, if you're very new to trading, it would do you very well to read his book, buy his book. I think it's $10 or $20. It's not very much. And also to listen to every single one of the videos that you can. Even do an investment of $200 in his training course. So he has very good technical analysis skills education. And he gets great results. Harvey regularly makes $2,000 to $3,000 a day.